Hi everybody, welcome to Prime for this evening. My name is Daedran. Shinsia steps onto the Color stage with a new track, Dollar. The dancehall artist over the weekend was featured on the global talent platform Colors, where she performed the single Dollar from her upcoming sophomore album. Dollar combines reggae, R&B, pop and hip-hop as Shinsia explores themes of riches and independence rather than romance. In her interview with Colors, Shinsia shared the impact dancehall music has on her career.
I think that dancehall really helped me with my pen game. I used to listen to dancehall artists a lot during high school, and I was like, yo, these metaphors, these similes, they're so fire.
Anticipation is high for the 14-track album Never Gets Late Here, set for this May, following the success of pre-released singles Hit and Run featuring Massacre and Never Never, along with mentions of collaborations with Nigerian singer Wizkid, American rapper Coi Leray, and Brazilian vocalist Anita. Now, Reggae King announced his sophomore album. The Montego Bay native over the weekend via his social media platforms had fans excited as he announced his upcoming album, Recovery. Now, King shared the album cover with the caption, #RecoveryAlbum. The album will also feature already popular Believe remix with Grammy-winning musician Kabaka Pyramid and Grammy-winning producer Damian Marley.
In him speeches, say without self-confidence, you will twice defeated.
The album is scheduled to be released in June and promises to be filled with real-life situations that, according to King, will allow others to heal in any way they can. This follows his 2022 popular 16-track album Therapy, in which he detailed his path to becoming better. Lady Gaga announces a self-directed Chromatica Ball concert film. The film is scheduled to premiere this May, promises to showcase Gaga's colorful costumes, theatrical choreography, and live vocals from her Chromatica Ball tour. Directed and produced by Gaga, the film will feature footage from her 2020 album Chromatica and older hits. The project was filmed at Dodger Stadium in Los Angeles in September of 2022, one of the final shows of her Chromatica Ball tour. The trailer showcases advanced pyrotechnics, cinematic visuals, and high-energy dance numbers. Now, Kendrick Lamar, Not Like Us, blasts to number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100. The rap battle between Kendrick Lamar and Drake spills into the upper reaches of the Billboard Hot 100 song chart, with Lamar's Not Like Us debuting at number 1, while Euphoria soared from 11 to 3 in its second week. Drake's top charting entry in The Clash, Family Matters, debuts at number 7. Outside of bragging rights and street cred, Lamar lands his 4th Hot 100 number 1 and ups his career count to 15 top 10s. The feat also follows the success of Like That, a collab with Lamar, Future, and Metro Booming, which reigned as a third-week leader. Interestingly, the collab has reignited and moved 2 places back up to number 6. Now, Not Like Us is the first number 1 for producer DJ Mustard. Interesting thoughts, the charts, right? That's it for Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.